Jak vyzerá tak pohodlně? Fine. Last week we bought a new truck for this one.
Yeah. And today we're going to install it.
So firstly we are going to put this piece of plastic down. Then I'm going to shoot him.
Let's go! To štípalo!
Yeah, don't break it! No. It's down and
What?
Damn! That was probably off before. I don't think this is original.
And it was probably rusted.
Oh my goodness.
Very nice.
Holy smoke.
So, okay,
Oh my.
I have to record this with. Okay.
How does this even happen? Like, this is supposed to be bolted here. And as you can see, this is just, oh my goodness. How? How does it get this bad?
Okay. Luckily, we found the new one,
Which is beautiful.
which looks like new one, basically.
Yeah.
So yeah, let's get into it. Okay, so it looks like the whole frame is also rusted.
Oh my. Like, damn. Ah, I got it on the mic.
Better than new. To bude naslapané, ne?
Volkswagen.
Pretty
Yeah.
nice.
Years and years of rust. So I would say that this one needs changing. It's just dirty, but I don't think it's worth cleaning it up. But we'll put it down and maybe try to clean it up. See how much the price
Yeah,
is.
we'll try.
If it's like $5, then you know.
Yeah, we'll try it.
Put this one out. Took apart the whole freaking thing
Yeah.
just for us to find out that here there is a disconnect for the hose that powers the rear wiper fluid, whatever shit.
Yeah, so we are disappointed of us, but
Because but we found it.
but Volkswagen did a good job. That
But why? Dávame nový kufor. Lebo tento je hrdzavý.
Dobre. Kde študujete?
Ja...
Yeah, one is enough, right?
Yeah, sure, I mean...
Yeah, for your head.
For me,
today the new version of Golf was born.
It's a Golf Cabrio, but only in the back.
Yeah.
And it's a coupe because the rear doors don't work.
Weight reduction, right?
Exactly.
Do you see clearly?
I think I mean,
Isn't the foil too dark?
I mean,
okay? Is it okay?
a bit too much for my taste, but I mean,
Okay, stop. It's good. We are good. Very nice.
cool. I think we should leave it like this. I mean,
What do you mean? What do you
see
mean?
the benefits: free air conditioning,
Yeah.
easy visibility, and also if somebody is like behind you and tailgating you, you can literally just grab a fucking towel and just boo,
Yeah.
and destroy him.
Very cheap sensors.
Like Mario Kart.
Like me. What are you doing with that ceiling? Oh damn.
So we tried to open an old silicone bottle, and we got a really nice bowl.
Oh damn.
No, we lost it.
Got this.
So it's on. We will have to reassemble everything, and yeah, I don't know. But the struts are like new. The whole thing is like new, so the back of this car will look really delicious. Really delicious.
Yeah,
So,
something like
like this.
I cannot close it completely, but
Because the cables are not tucked in yet, but
yes.
and also we have like a surprise for you. If you watch this long, we will have like an exhaust type thingy that will look freaking sick.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Holy smokes. It's a completely different
Does it
car.
fit?
It does. I mean, slight rub here, but we have to adjust it a bit.
Yeah.
It's the next day, and we finally exchanged the tailgates, and what we found is well quite interesting. Let's look at it here. As you can see, it's pretty rusted, and also the sides and everything. And now look at the new one, and it looks nice. It looks really nice. What do you say, Paul?
Yeah. So we just finished the adjustments, and it looks like a brand new car, basically.
Completely, yeah. Even with the bumper and everything, even from the inside, the new struts, and it just like opens like a brand new car and closes like a brand new car. So it's sick. It's really good looking.
Yeah. Check it out.
Very nice. And we are done for today. It looks really nice, as I said before. So if you guys enjoyed it, enjoyed the whole process that we did, make sure to
Comment, subscribe, like everything what you can do.
you can support us by doing that. It's free, and I don't know.
And it means a lot to us.
Yeah, we do it for fun, and we also do it for you. So yeah, I think we should finish now.
Yeah. See you.
See ya.